Immobiliser fit, and today I've secured this 73 plate full-size Range Rover with a Halo Plus immobiliser. So this system, the most sophisticated setup on the market you can have for these vehicles. So if someone copied the key, done a relay attack in any way, or got this key, started the vehicle up and went to steal it, the first attempt the vehicle's going to cut out totally silent, but the customer's going to get a phone call. The reason it's silent is customers make a mistake when they first get the vehicle, forget they need to put a push sequence in. But if it's a thief, it's going to ring you straight away and let you know someone's trying to steal it. If the thief's silly enough to try for a second time, they're going to get in the vehicle, start it up. As soon as they select a gear, it's going to cut out, the horn's going to go mad, and they're going to be able to drive it away. So the horn goes mad, you get a phone call as well. I've just silenced it with our PIN code, but this would obviously keep going for a given time and the process would start again. For the customer to drive this, what they can do is just simply have the Bluetooth on their phone, pop the phone in their pocket, hop in, start the car and drive away. We hear a double bleep and they can drive off. Phone's not here, it goes mad. The thief gets your key, turn the Bluetooth off so if your phone's dead. What you'll do now, hop in the car, start it up, go for a unique code. For now, we've just set 1, 2, 3. Nice and simple for a video. Hear a double bleep, we can select our gear, drive away. The vehicle remains running. We turn it off. We turn the vehicle off. 10 seconds later, the system's active. So if someone got in, went to steal the vehicle, start it up, select a gear. They obviously haven't put your code in. The vehicle's going to cut out. Your phone's going to ring, and then obviously on the next attempt, the whole process is going to start again. This is the Halo Plus. This system also has a service mode. So as you can see, it's calling us. System's also got a service mode, so when you take it back to Range Rover, there's no need to tell them a push sequence, no need to leave your phone in the vehicle. You just want the whole system off completely. So what you'll do is turn the ignition on, prove it's you, with the system disarmed. Then you'll press and hold on here. You have a green circle. When it goes yellow, we'll let go, we'll get one long tone, and now the system's in service mode. So now, there's no need for a phone to be in the vehicle. Range Rover can drive it, road test it, service it. It's just a normal vehicle, the system's completely deactivated. When you get it home, make sure you turn it back on. So press and hold till it goes green. One long tone again, the system's active. This system also has a feature where if it's in service mode, and you forget when you're driving it home to take it out, you're obviously going to need to remember to turn it on. So we'll turn the ignition on as if you're driving home. After a few minutes, we're going to get a phone call from the system just to remind us that we've left it in service mode and we need to take it out. There we go. As you can see, the system's ringing us just to remind us that we've left it in service mode. So obviously we're going to need to take it out. We've had some customers that have left it a week before realising that they've taken it home and their vehicle's not secure because they haven't turned it back on. So simply go into the app, press and hold till it's green, system's active, and you're all good to go. So once again, just to show you, the phone's not here, the thief gets your key, does a relay attack, does a key copy, goes to steal the vehicle. On the first attempt, it's going to be totally silent to allow a customer to make a mistake. But if it's a thief, you're going to know straight away because your phone's going to ring you and let you know. There you go. It's the Halo Plus, as we said. So we're just answering in that. If they're silly enough to try for a second time as a thief, they'll start it up, select a gear, car cuts out, you get another phone call. As you can see, I've just silenced it with the PIN code, but obviously that will keep running its timer. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Halo Plus fitted on a brand new 73 plate, full-sized Range Rover. Thanks for watching.